is water, and if the dispersed phase is oil, then that type of emulsion is called oil in water type of emulsion. Okay, so here oil is dispersed phase. Dispersed phase is also called as discontinued phase. Okay, and dispersed phase is also called as internal phase. This is also called as internal phase, and the water is called as external phase. Okay, now this is called oil in water. Now moving on to the water in oil. So here oil is the continuous phase. Can you able to understand the pictures with beautiful colors? And here blue color globules are nothing but water. Water is a dispersed phase. So that's why this emulsion is called as water in oil emulsion. Okay, based upon the phases, we divide the type of emulsions. Based on the phases, we divide type of emulsions. Okay, now I already told you we have many types of emulsions. Just now I told you. Okay, so one is oil in water and water in oil. Okay, based upon the dispersed phase and based upon the liquid size droplets, we can decide which is O by W and which is W by O. Okay, now based on the sizes, so if the size is 0.2 to 50 micrometers, then it is called as macro emulsions. It is called macro emulsions. Okay, if the size is 0.01 to 0.2 mm, that is called micro emulsions. Okay, so whole together we have four types of emulsions: oil in water and water in oil. And these can be divided based on the particle size. If these particle size are within the range of 0.2 to 50 mm, then we can say those are macro emulsions. If the range is in between 0.01 to 0.2, then that is micro emulsions. Okay, these are types of emulsions. Now, moving on to some more. These two type of macro emulsions are called as simple emulsions. Okay, and multiple emulsions. These are not required to study in the first semester. You are going to study in third year, B.Pharm third year. Okay, so in this present semester, you have to learn only two types of emulsions: O by W and W by O. O by W and W by O. Okay, in coming semesters you will learn this one. I already told you in the previous classes. O by W by O. Oil, water, oil. Okay, and W by O by W. Water, oil, water. See, we have more than two phases. That's why these emulsions are called as multiple emulsions. These type of emulsions are called as multiple emulsions. Okay, now one more emulsions, micro emulsions. Just now I told you. Micro emulsions means the particle size must be 0.01 to 0.0 mm. Okay, based upon the particle size, micro emulsions can be classified. Okay, now these are the general emulsions we use in our daily life. Okay, so we use ointments. Okay, we use creams. We use liniments. Okay, we use the vitamin drops, and we use lotions. In our daily life, these are emulsions we use. Okay, just now I told you creams, cold cream, vanishing cream. I told you these are some of the kinds of emulsions. Okay, now in emulsions, what do we add? We add a very exclusive agent, that is emulsifying agent. Apart from the emulsifying agent, we'll add oxidants. Sorry, antioxidants, which acts against oxidation. And we'll add antimicrobial preservatives. They fight against microbes. And we'll add auxiliary emulsifiers to keep the emulsion stable. Okay, now these are the emulsifying agents we have to add. I already showed if the oil and water separated. If they got separated, do we call it as good emulsion? No. then in that scenario, what you have to add? We have to add emulsifying agent. We have to add emulsifying agent. If emulsifying agent is added, see how uniform dispersion has happened. Then we can call it as a good emulsion. Okay, so our emulsifying agents are keeping our emulsion stable, and they are keeping compatible, and they are keeping non-toxic. And emulsifying agents are showing little odor, and also good taste and good color. Okay, these are the major significance of the emulsifying agents.